Hi there, welcome back to my Test It, Trust It series. I'm Ross Constable and today I'll be identifying a few things you can do to reduce the likelihood of slips, trips and falls within your workplace. So according to the Health and Safety Executive statistics, slips, trips and falls remains the #1 hazard for any workplace, coming in at 32% of all self-reported non-fatal injuries at work. There are several factors that can lead to a slip, trip or fall within the workplace. Generally, these can be avoided by maintaining a clean and tidy workspace, ensuring staff are not rushing, and making sure appropriate footwear is worn. So just like road tyres on a car, safety footwear is designed with particular tread patterns. This helps to move fluids away from the underside of the foot, helping to reduce the potential for slips. However, this doesn't just work in isolation. Just as important as selecting appropriate footwear is considering the different types of flooring encountered through a typical working day and identifying potential contaminants or slip agents. Businesses should consider testing the friction of their flooring, and this can be done on site using a pendulum tester. Not only will it give a clear indicator of the inherent friction of the flooring, but through repeat testing, it can also identify the effectiveness of cleaning regimes and maintaining appropriate levels of friction. The HSE publishes guidance, which can be found in a link attached to this video. On the subject of cleaning, it's vital to have cleaning regimes in place to remove contaminants from flooring and a process in place to deal with spillages. Any spillage, whether liquids or solid, can act as a slip agent and dramatically increase the likelihood of a slip occurring. It won't matter if you've got the best shoes and flooring in place, if there's a load of flour, oil or other contaminants everywhere, there's likely to be an accident. I hope you found this video useful, and don't be afraid to challenge employers if you think improvements can be made within your working environment. Please stay tuned for the next instalment of my Test It, Trust It series, where I'll be talking about different aspects of protective eyewear.